Hey, this is Jeff with Miller's RV, and I'm here to answer a question that hopefully you have had. How often do I need to change my air filter in my motorhome or trailer? So before I get to the answer, do me a favor please, subscribe to our channel and then click the notification bell. It'll let you know when there's new content out. And again, on this new content, we're not trying to sell you stuff. We want to make your RVing journey more enjoyable. That's our goal here at Miller's RV, and we want to help in every way we can, and one of that is answering questions. So please post your questions below. We'll do our best to address them, whether they're related to this topic or another one. So how often should you change your air filter? Before I get there, I want to show you something. This is a typical air filter that you find in a motorhome or trailer. Literally, I'm going to show you this. Okay, here's the air filter, here's some packaging, and I literally can read this through the air filter. Removes dust, pollen. This isn't an air filter to me. This is a piece of foam. Well, what I'm here to tell you about is a new product that came out last year. We started carrying, and we're going to have all of the products available. Last year they didn't make one or two of the filters. This year they're making them all. This is RV Air. This is replacing those little inexpensive foam air conditioner filters with a much better filter. And again, this one does, I don't know the other one does, remove dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores. It's a lot better air filter. You can see it is much thicker. It's made of two different materials on there, and no, I cannot read the packaging through it just to verify. So the question about how often should I change it starts with, first, is you need to get some better filters to start with, because the other stuff, literally people will tell you just to wash them out and put it back in. That's just not a filter to me. Get a better quality filter. Now, as far as you should change it, in your house, the recommendation is changing your air filter once a month. Well, obviously, if you are living or full-timing in your RV, I would stay with that recommendation, change it once a month. If you're not, general recommendation I would have is probably every 6 months. However, if you're camping in some really dusty environments, you might want to change it more often, maybe 4 times a year. These air filters are not that expensive, so it's something that's easy to do. If you do it, it keeps your air flowing better, so it's going to keep your unit cooling better. It also will keep anything from the unit getting clogged up and kind of sucking into the filter, letting air pass by, and then you build up dirt and stuff inside your unit, which you do not want to do. So again, how often should you change it? Yeah, probably every 6 months, maybe every 3 months, depending upon your use. If you have any questions specifically, give us a call, 225-275-2940, and we'll be glad to answer your question. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Enjoy the journey. Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you found it both informative and entertaining. If you would, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can see everything new that's coming out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Also tell us anything else you would like us to do a video on. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Enjoy the journey and click on one of the links to watch another video by us.